Welcome to our respectful viewer on my YouTube channel. Respectful viewer, today is big and sad news is that the news about young Slobe who became famous of his song I Love You surfaced online on August 5 late evening. Fans were left devastated by the news of singer death and were quick to flood social media with their thought on same. Rapper Young Sloby was shot in Manteca on 5th morning, as if now the detail around the shooting remain unknown. This is a very sad news about this. Or every person ROP for his young talent. For the views, thanks for watching.